Let's install the new Boss baseplate from Brightside Sound Machine. The factory Boss baseplate has the rubber, which can be a problem when trying to attach to a pedal board. Start by removing the 4 screws and then remove the plate. Now you'll find the insulator. Make sure that stays in. You'll need that. Now you can remove your Boss baseplate from Brightside Sound Machine from the packaging and install it using the same 4 screws that the factory plate was attached with. Once installed, it's a great platform for your dual lock to attach it to your board securely. This way it protects your vintage pedal baseplate from being adulterated.